you're looking for a delicious meatball recipe, then you're not going to want to miss this video. Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making Swedish meatballs in the Crockpot. I found this recipe over at A Day in the Day in Our World. I'll put that up on our screen, on my screen, and I'll also link the recipe in the description box so you can pull it up easily. It just sounds really delicious. It's also perfect for my low carb eating. So if you're not eating low carb, you can put this over some pasta and it's perfect, but this is perfect if you are eating low carb. So let me stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and we'll get started. All right, my friends, I have some steak sauce, beef broth, a can of cream of mushroom soup, Worcestershire sauce. I went to the grocery store to get meatballs, and this was the only meatballs that they had in the whole grocery store, but it ended up being perfect because it has no sugar and it's very low carb, so yay me. So I have, and it says calls for 28 ounces. This bag was only a 22, so I am shy a few ounces, but that was my only option. Some sour cream, paprika, granulated garlic, pepper, and salt. And friends, that is all the ingredients we'll be using. Alright, my friends, so I just have myself a mixing bowl. I put my frozen meatballs in the crock pot already. So I have 2 cups of beef broth. So we're going to pour that in there. And then I have a can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to put that in here. And then we're just going to go ahead and whisk this together really well. Just like that. Simple and easy. Looks like coffee. Alrighty, then we're going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. This is one of my favorites. 2 tablespoons of steak sauce. Oop, I'm splashing it all over. I'm going to go to work all smelling like steak sauce. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a half teaspoon of salt. Pepper and paprika. And friends, it does not get any easier than what we just did here. That's it. That is all the ingredients, other than the cream, sour cream. That goes in the last half an hour. I forgot about that. Well, I didn't forget about it. I just forgot to tell you. So now let's move over to our crock pot. Alrighty, so I have my meatballs here. And then we're just going to go ahead and pour our sauce right over the meatballs. Make sure they're covered. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and put the lid on and get it started. Alrighty, my friends, we're going to put it on high for 4 hours. It was at 4 hours. 4 hours. And then we'll come back and add our sour cream. Alright, my friends, it's been 3.5 hours. I'm just gonna, well, it smells delicious. Give it a stir. And now I'm going to add in my cup of sour cream. Give that a nice stir. right, now we're just going to let it go for a half an hour. And then we'll check it and do a taste test. All right, my friends, let's take a look. Ooh, they look delicious. Oh my goodness. Ooh, nice and creamy. I have my pasta on right now. I'm just going to do a little bit for a presentation. And then we will do a taste test. Alright, my friends, I have my pasta here. Let's put, where's my spoon? And if you don't want pasta, you obviously do not have to do pasta. Look at that. Alright, my friends, here we go. Let's go ahead and take a little bite. Mmm. They're pretty daggone good. Yes. I'm not feeling overly well today. My stomach's a little upset, so I don't want to eat too much, but these are very, very good. So friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you later. Bye.